Hi fellas, this is Chemaddicts again to the solution. Well, at first, I'm saying sorry to you fellas for being disappeared since I have some issues with my studies, since I have got some exams to do. You know what is the trouble behind the exam. You all know that is the pain that I am having in the past few weeks. Okay, well, let's start. Well, today we are going to study about some of the things. Well, let's see. Today we are going to study about uh, here we will be familiar about, sorry for that. Here we will be familiar about the use of Hess cycle formula. Here we will come to know about the methods to solve this problem. We will also learn some tricks regarding this topic, which will save times as well. Okay, so let's start the question. All right, so in this question, in question number 14, it says consider the following data. These are the data given. These are all the reactions. As you all know that these are all the reactions given. Okay, so the question says what is the relationship between A, B, C, D. Okay, the options are also given. So, well, here is the trick. Examiner has given the hints about formation enthalpy. As if you have noticed, here are the data given. We will use this data. These data are essential. Okay, let's see how is it essential. So if you look closely, it is the formation enthalpy. How do we know that? That's because a substance is formed from the required amount of elements. So this makes the formation enthalpy. Okay, this is also the formation enthalpy, and this is also the formation enthalpy as well, since these are all formed in one mole. Okay, I hope that you have understood. Have you understood? Actually, I think so. Really sorry for that. Okay, so if we look at the equation D, we will see that this is not an formation enthalpy. So we will assume that this is the reaction enthalpy formation, sorry, this is the reaction enthalpy. Okay, enthalpy of reaction in the other way around. Okay, so we can solve this in either ways. Okay, by two ways. Okay, there are two ways: by constructing Hess cycle. I know that you all will choose this method, since uh, since you are not able to find the other way around. Okay, the second option is the most easiest one. Just use the formula. Okay, formula of Hess cycle. So which one do you will choose? You all would say that you will do the problem by using the first one, that is this one. So the other one is very easy, but it doesn't catch in your, it doesn't come in your brain. Okay, so most of you will choose this one, since you don't know this. Most of you might not know the second option. So I will do this tutorial by this by following this method. Okay, number 2. Since most of you don't know this method, so I will do this by method 2. So here we will be familiar with the use of Hess's cycle formula. Okay, so how we will going to use the formula, let's see. So this is the formation enthalpy, this is also the formation enthalpy, this is also the formation enthalpy, and this is the enthalpy of reaction or reaction enthalpy. Okay, so let us look at the formula. The formula that we will apply here is enthalpy of reaction is equivalent to sum of enthalpy of formation of product minus sum of formation enthalpy of reactants. Okay, so this is the trick. Here is the trick. Okay, we will solve all the problem by using this simple, what do I say, this one is equation. Okay, equation, I believe. So this is the equation that we will use here today. Okay, so if we can see that formation enthalpy reaction is this one. Okay, since this is not the, sorry, this last one is the enthalpy of reaction. Okay, since no other product is formed here, and these other three are formation enthalpy of formation enthalpy. These other three are formation enthalpy of formation. These other three are enthalpy of formation. Okay, so which should be the answer? Well, let's see. So enthalpy of reaction is D is equals to formation enthalpy of product. So formation enthalpy of product, which is the product, this one. So sum of formation of enthalpy of product. So product is C, and sorry, water and sulfur dioxide. So C and D. So therefore we will use B plus C, that is the sum of these two, B plus C. This is the product. Here it is the product. So sum of B plus C. Okay, sum of the products, these are the products, minus sum of reactants. So sum of reactants, here it is hydrogen sulfide. Okay, so hydrogen sulfide is A. So you might say that why not oxygen? Since oxygen has, the formation enthalpy of oxygen is 0, since oxygen is an element. Okay, here it is, here oxygen is element. So I hope that you have got the answer. The answer is A. Alright, I hope that you have understood the question as well as the answer. So if you well, this is the end of today's tutorial. Is there any part of this video tutorial that you have that I have missed or you don't understand? If yes, let me know in the comment section. Well, bye bye. Take care. Pokemon Go. If you have understood this question, you may play Pokemon Go. And please, it is my humble request not to take the Prisma photo of this solution. That's because my handwriting is really bad, and my English is also bad. Okay, I know my English speaking is very bad since English is not my native language. Okay, thank you.